Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you yet another beautiful luxury villa which is located off Nice Ring Road, Bannerghatta Road. It's a nice luxury villa which is set on a gated community of about 20 acres of land, a little over 20 acres. And the villa that I'm going to show you today is a G+1 duplex structure. It's a 4-bedroom villa. That's the elevation. You could see very contemporary design, looks nice and elegant, as you could see. This villa is a 4-bedroom one, and it is on a land of measuring about 3,000 square feet land, and the sellable area is 4,723 square feet. It's got 2 gardens on each side of the villa, and it's got a swimming pool as well. I'll show you all that with the interiors. Right there you could see the main entrance to the villa, and to the left of the main entrance, that is the parking area. 2 car park can be easily done, side by side car park, and then it's got 2 garden spaces on either side of the villa. Now let's walk you into the villa. As we enter into the villa, that's the main entrance. There's a small entrance foyer, an entry porch, and from the entry porch, that's the main door. The door comes with an electronic biometric lock, as you could see. And then we enter into the villa. That's how the villa looks. That's the living area. Nice and spacious. From the living area is connected the dining area to the right. And the dining area opens out to a nice little garden which is connected to the swimming pool. I'll show you that in a while. And to the left is a powder room. On the ground floor. And from the dining I'll take you and show you the outdoor garden. That's the outdoor garden, and with a nice little private pool, as you could see. That's where we came. And now we walk back into the villa. From the dining area to the right, just behind the dining area is bedroom number 1, which is on the ground floor. Decent sized bedroom. That's a wardrobe in the bedroom, and this bedroom is attached with a bath and a toilet. As we head out of this room, we get into the kitchen. That's the kitchen. That's the kitchen, as you could see from the other end. And to the left of the kitchen, they have a nice decent sized utility area. The kitchen also opens out to the garden, and this entry could also act as a maid's entry. The door which we just opened and came out. That's the garden area, a little sit out. Now we'll walk you to the first floor. Here as you could see, you could put all your pictures, photo frames and all of this, photos and all of that, paintings and anything that you like. As we enter onto the first floor, we're greeted by a living area, decent size, small living area with a balcony attached. And to the right is the master bed. That's the master bedroom. given these beautiful windows just below the ceiling, so that ensures a lot of light comes into the villa. The flooring is wooden laminate floor, and to the right is an attached walk-in wardrobe closet and a wash in a bathroom. The master bed has also got a huge balcony. I'll show you the balcony. That's the view it has to offer from the balcony. The balcony is decent size. From the master bed, we walk into the bedroom number 3. Children's bed. Decent sized room. And this room is also attached with a toilet and a bath. Opposite to the children's bedroom, or the third bedroom, is the fourth bed. That's the fourth bedroom. That's the fourth bedroom. The view from the other end. It's attached with a toilet as well. Now let's show you the terrace and a media room at the top. On the terrace is a separate small room, which could be the media room or an entertainment room or a TV room. Now that's how the terrace looks. Beautiful terrace, quite open space, and it's got a nice bar counter for a few drinks at the end of the day. Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you like them. Do let us know what you feel about them. Our intention behind these videos is to show you the real properties, how they look in actual. We don't do any editing. We don't do any kind of makeup for the videos to make them look good. What you see is what exactly you get. So keep seeing our videos, commenting, and let us know if you need any videos that you think we should be covering, any properties that you think we're missing out. So do let us know. Even if you have your own properties that you want to sell or you want to rent out, do let us know. Contact on the numbers given below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.